Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 27th, and this is my morning analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So anyways, the Aussie dollar did make a pretty good move down yesterday at the 50% fib, but it was not able to break and hold below structure. If you think something is the end of a correction, but it is not able to break structure after the Fibonacci bounce, then that's a good sign that the correction is not over. Now, I still think this move up looks very, very corrective compared to this move down, so I would still expect it to probably go up to a Fibonacci level. And then I would think that there's a very good chance it is going to end up pushing down again. It might actually take out the highs of this previous move too. So I mean, the 61% may be a more likely area for this to actually end the correction. If we do go back up to the daily time frame, we can see that we are definitely still within this base channel. I still think it would make a little bit more sense for this to go down one more time, maybe even break the bottom of the base channel before we actually do end up going back up for either a wave C or a wave 3 possibly. So taking it down to the shorter time frames, I'm still definitely recommending shorts. I would keep an eye on my Fibonacci levels. Look for a nice big engulfing move at a Fibonacci level, and that potentially would be the sorting opportunity that we are looking for. 50%, 61%, definitely seem like a very likely target. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.